Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating and doing a little cooking. It's the holidays, so let's get creative and create. So I grabbed this wreath frame from Dollar Tree, and I picked up some affordable, decor items, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some garland around the wreath. It is so easy as 1, 2, 3. It is not complicated. It is so simple to do. So grab you some ornaments and let's just begin. Okay, go ahead and start gathering up your garland, and you're going to just pretty much go ahead and start going ahead and wrapping it around the wreath frame. It's just that simple. Okay, so now you can see that the wreath is already pretty much wrapped around fully, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the second piece, and I'm going to begin to wrap it around until I get the full desired look. Okay, so here is the wreath frame. It is completely wrapped in a garland. I thought that it gave like greenery, and I'm just gonna pretty much start laying out the ornaments where I think they should go, or my desired look to my liking. Place your ornaments on your wreath wherever you want, to give it perfect symmetry or just to your liking. Get fun with it. Hey, it's your choice. That I see where I'm going to begin placing the ornaments, I'm going to grab my hot glue gun, and I'm going to pretty much just go ahead, put some glue on the back, and adhere each ornament to the wreath. Okay, so pretty much I'm going to go ahead and add the scatter. I believe this is scatter. I picked this up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue everything on and pretty much just give it a little more pizzazz. candy cane was so cute. I picked it up from a local dollar store in my area, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some hot glue on it and fancy it on somewhere on the wreath and just give it a little bit more sparkle. Now, when I find ways to create, my creativity just flows and I use what works for me. Now, there's no right or wrong way for me. I'm just using glue this time. If you care to watch any other of my videos where I'm doing simple, easy wreaths, then go ahead and click down somewhere in the playlist and you should find one. But this is the finished look. I'm going to show you here. I hope you like it. And hey, just go ahead and make you one. Give it a try. You never know what your creativity will allow you to do. So give it a go. Okay, friends, so here we are. So we're just going to go ahead and start cooking. It's the holidays. I just going to go ahead and grab some bell peppers. I'm going to grab some onions. Now, I did not put any seasonings in. It's your choice what type of seasonings you use to flavor up your food. Hey, I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much share with you how I'm going to make this dish up. It's just meat and gravy and it's so delicious. I love it. It's a quick and easy meal. So I'm just gonna pretty much, brown up the meat patties. Now it's up to you whether you want to make yours bigger. So when mine's cooked down, this is the size that I like. I don't like them like too big. I like them like this. So that I can pretty much do portion control with them. And so if someone else wants more, then they can grab more. Okay, so the meat is all cooked down and I'm gonna take the meat out and I'm gonna get the skillet ready for the gravy. Beautiful bell peppers and onions. I'm just going to add the flour and I'm going to stir it up a bit just so that it can brown and pretty much get all the flavors that's down on the bottom of the pan and pull it all together and just let it brown and stir it up and let it cook for a bit. And then I'm going to make sure I add in the patties. I'm going to add the patties back in. Now, you can add any type of flavoring. Maybe you want to use a packet to pour in with yours. No, I'm just going to pretty much add my water, let everything come to a simmer, okay? And I'm just going to let them rock out like that, cook and simmer down in the pan. I'm going to stir them up and I'm going to wait and pretty much get my gravy all together. It's going to be delicious and good. It's quick, easy, and simple, economical, and all of that. Okay, so this is how I do it. I'm just sharing with you. I don't know what type of seasonings you're going to use. Of course, I think I'm going to put some mashed potatoes on the side of it. And I thought that the bell peppers will just be enough. If someone else wants peas or something, maybe there's some left over, then hey, peas or peas and carrots. I don't know what type of veggies. This is just how I do the gravy. And if you want to do something quick and easy like this that's flavorful and yummy, then yeah. Alright, if you found any value in this video, make sure that you smash the like button. And if this is your type of content, then of course I want you to hit subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. I want to wish you and yours the most happiest holiday season. I hope that you get everything that you want, everything that you need. And if there is a video that relates to this video, it's going to be up in the cards down in the description box, or it's going to show up at the end screen. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you back on my next video.